Okay, what's up, guys? So, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but as you can see, I'm sitting on my. This is like my setup. Well, yeah, I know the room's too big. Well, that's why I already use it. But, so what I'm doing right now is just, this was once, a live stream. But I realized I can't do a live stream, so instead I'll just keep on recording until one day I can just finally stream. On Twitch. What? I don't know if I can do it on Twitch, but I'm just gonna show you look. This is all the games I've been working on. Well, I don't know how long, but since 20. Oh yeah, Girls Had Ghost. Yeah, about that one. So, yeah, this is all the, these are all what I made, and this was actually my room, and I used that, the one that was behind the room. Oh yeah, I just look, I worked so hard to make that. I worked so hard to show you guys the true story. I worked so hard. And you guys decided to show me support. Even it took me I don't know. Well, it took me I don't know how many minutes or hours, but you guys helped me. Because look, whenever I load my room up, don't worry, and this is a reminder. This one right here, it's a reminder. So guys, just tell me what game I should play, and I'll do it. And as you can see, oh yeah, this one right here. Yeah, I had this one I don't know how long, but if you enter it, look, this is all I made, and this was originally made by me. I don't know how hard it was, but when was the last time I built this? Let me see. What the? 5,065.2 hours ago. Oh, and it was on 28 July 2023. Oh, that must have been a year ago. So I made this a year ago. Oh, and oh yeah, there was once a school there, but I'll do this do it again on when I make another one. But yeah, I still remember this one. And here, let me pull up. Okay, I'm gonna pull up something. Oh yeah, this one. So let me see. Oh yeah, this one may be tagged because I don't know how, but why. But while I was gone, I don't know how, but I think this mod changed. Oh, what? Wait a minute. Okay, we'll just ignore that. Right. Oh, sorry guys, I don't know how, but I don't know if I can. I just don't know, but this looked like once, you know. So we got, oh yeah, if you're saying like that's not the moon, okay, guys, I don't know what was that, but something just fell, but we'll just ignore that. So if you're saying something like that's not the real one, you forgot, you know, this is like another, you know, dimension. Like, it's in another world, not the real one. Because, you know, this is what you guys don't see. But so if I don't get any ideas, then I'll just do a video of flying to Venus. And yeah. And here's this one. Well, I made it a long time ago because, you know, it's only because I got in a fight, you know, with this one Roblox hacker. But it's over now. Okay, Jakes. Yeah, my friend made most of this. It says, yeah, and my friend did this too. So that's why I just have to be glad that my friends can do a job. Oh yeah, this is Pluto. Just so you guys are wondering. Wait, is Pluto that big? I don't know, guys, but you know, let me pull up. I'm just pulling up something on my phone so I can just know how big, you know, Pluto is, because I don't know if that's the actual, but I'm gonna find out. Just, I don't know if I should make this big or something. I don't know, guys, but I'm just gonna make sure it's like big or something. Oh yeah, guys, I'm just pulling up, you know, a game, you know, because I don't have Google on my phone because, you know, I can't download it. So let's just get, so, you know, I made this like a long time ago. Like, I actually worked like so hard. So I just making sure that I didn't mess anything up. And this is like, you know, yeah, this is like what I used. Anyways, I don't know how I'm gonna, I don't know what this one's for. Like, I forgot what this one's for. But all you guys need to know is sometimes you need to know their original story before you get to know them. Just right now, I'm just trying to find out how tall Pluto is, like how big. and I may have a feeling that it may be big like. Let's see. Okay, hold up. Okay, I'm gonna see if it's bigger than. Is it bigger than this? Oh wait, I forgot it's not gas giant. Yeah, so I'm just making sure that it's not any bigger. Because, it's not a gas giant, it's a dwarf planet. So, okay. I wonder if that's gonna work. There we go. Anyways, let's just go to another. I'm gonna go. Oh yeah, this one. I never forgot this one. This made a peak. This one really made a peak. Yeah, I still remember this one. This one really got me. Okay. I'm gonna try to read it. Just hold up. Oh yeah. Okay. You can see it. You can actually see it now. Don't do it because this could happen to. Okay, I'm not gonna finish it. I'm not finishing that. And for some reason, one of my friends put this there. For some other reason, one of my friends decided to put it there. Oh yeah, about this one. The means that we're gonna go through is just through, War of 2020 to 2024. I think that's when they stopped fighting us. But yeah, it's just in the past. So, but I'm gonna just show it anyways. Like, come on, it's not like this one might not hurt. And when he goes back out that night, guess who's under the bed? Okay, chickens, they have back rooms. We all work together, we won't live. Among Us. Okay. Okay, chickens, if Shy Guy raid, can't raid, but they do. Chickens, don't worry, we'll raid instead of you. And this is the. Okay, let me just. Chicken box, Xbox, and he turns to Xbox 360. My friend made this. I don't want to be Xbox, but boom, Xbox 360. Haha, you are now a console. This is his bomb. Like, bullying me, but just in the past. Oh, he's not giving money. I don't know why I'm cracking up, but $1,000. Okay, this is yeah, this is in. Okay, I don't know what just happened, but. Okay, just in time. Oh yeah, this is like this one is when there's a FNF Sonic mod about this one, and yes, that's really this was a reference to and this is the hacker. He can't use any hacks because he's just falling. And he made a robot, so time paradox, VHX, and me and my friend, a long time ago, but and this is like 40. This is the 45 people. This is like the person who liked like Among Us. I know from Among Us. Got caught up by checking Among Us. Streamer. If you are free members, watch this video. Cool. Now I'll build army of. Never gonna give you up. What? How did I get recalled? Where's the members? Wait, oh no, my PC. When the player sees someone with 2,000 likes. One of my friends had more than 2,000 likes. Oh yeah. Shy guy went and used Uno first one. Hey, we are in our small. Uses Uno first. Okay. That's a reverse. Okay. Oh yeah, this is one who was being rude. So they may not regret. And this is the egg, the golden egg, because if I go to it, boom, there's a golden chicken. And this is like how chicken's made. And I have absolutely no idea how, okay, I'm just gonna try to fix that. Because when I did this, I just got I don't know, a lot of likes for this one. And this is oh yeah, and I didn't actually put this inside because I don't know. And this was when this is supposed to be hatched. This logic, just if you're wondering what this one is, I don't know, just in case, I'll just go ahead and put it right there. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, this is I just told people 60 likes we make. Okay, I don't know how to say this, but drunk chicken. And oh wait a minute, hashed it wet. Oh wait, that's when. Wait a minute, this is when. it was still in the egg. Oh yeah, that was when it was still in the egg. I forgot about that one. But let me just. Okay, this is just before it got out of the egg. I'm just doing this because it's so. I'm just doing this. Just hold up. Well, I'm only doing this because, sometimes I may have missed any. I might have missed what I had to put on it, but I just put it on it because I don't know if that was not correct, but and rated badges. Oh, so I got rated. So that means every time I get rated, I just make a badge. Like every single time I get rated. If you get here, I might make basement. Yeah, it's true. I might make it, but this is the parents. Oh yeah, if you guys don't tell, if you're a boy, it's gonna be like this, and if you're like the chicken's mom, you're not gonna have any of that. But wait, is that correct? Or I don't know if that's correct, but just let me know. This is the chicken. Like that's chicken today. Hold on, let me just go ahead. Oh, that's the family. I don't know, but let me just. Here, I'm gonna pull up this one. Okay, I'm gonna read this one. Chicken getting sleepy and leg changed. Oh yeah, that's because I don't know why, but I don't know if I'm wrong. Oh. So just shows that the leg actually changed. This shows. Oh yeah. So I made this because, well, I only made this because my teacher was doing this. So I decided to make it, and guess how many likes I got for just doing that? Total like 60. It was 60 likes. It was 60 likes when I left, and now I gained another like. It was 60 likes. Oh my, that was 60 likes ago. No way. Let me just. I told people that if we get to. Wait. Oh yeah, I just made this because I don't know why, but. Early badges. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna say it. Okay. Let me just go back down. Okay. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but ball. 1 like. Body development starts. 20 likes. Big eyes and tail starts. 5 likes. Bird development starts. 8 likes. Bird completed. 12 likes. We're going high. No, I don't mean we're gonna be smoking. No, I don't. No. Chicken getting sleepy and leg changed. 15 likes. Wait up. That's not right. Okay, that might be better. Chicken body transformed. Oh yeah, because wait a minute. Is that wait a minute. Hold up, is that how chickens? I don't remember, but let me just put it up like that. I'm gonna have to change it, but leg change and body. Actually, wait. What if I just put it? What if I just, yeah, I know this is my work, but I realized that it looked like something else. I just realized. Okay, how tall? Yeah, guys, I'm gonna need to fix that. Yeah, I'm actually gonna need to fix that one. Okay, I'm gonna see if it's that close or something. But I just realized what I just did. This was like when I don't know how long it was, but I think it was 5th or 6th grade when I made it. But now I came back and I realized what I just did. I just came back and finally realized what I just did. I didn't know I did that. There is no way I did that. I really did it. But I was just a kid at that time. Oh no. That includes this too. I did not actually realize that, guys. I didn't actually realize. Now, okay. Let me just put it back. No. Oh my, I didn't actually realize. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, just to let you guys know, I just make sure that birth development start. Oh wait. That's better. Wait. Hold up, am I saying something right here? There we go. Oh yeah, it takes 21 days. Well, that's what is, when I watched a video about them, I think he said it takes like 21 days because, every day it's like day 1, day 3, day 5, day 8, day 12, day 15, day 16, day, what is this? Day 20? Wait, day 20, and and a few hours later, hashed and wet, and what's this? 22 likes, I made this. So that means this one has to be 26 likes. Oh yeah, I'm just going back to, I'm just letting you guys see this for like a lot of time because Number 50. No, at number 50. I didn't realize. Number 50 was, I don't know how, but I guess it was actually going. Like, it was actually going. Like, this one is the one that was really going. It did. I made this. I don't know why. But let me just, I'm gonna start right here. I'm gonna finish it, guys. No, I'm not ending the video. Just not yet. I'll have, one more to show you after this one. I'll just show you one more. And as you guys can see, if you support the chicken, hope by liking. I'll put this right here because why not? Oh yeah, I don't know what that is. Okay, let me just take you to large size. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna finish it again. Okay, I finished it. Almost medium size. 26 likes. Medium size. 28 likes. X medium size. 30 likes. Large size. Okay, I have to pause because X medium. I'm not big. So, big is something like, I'm not finishing that. I'm not actually finishing that because, I would never watch that. Look, I would never watch that. Trust me, I never watched it. If I did, I wouldn't tell you, but I never did. If you say I did, how about you do me a favor and look at one of my videos? The proof, because I would never do that. And the video I made, well, the last one, but let me just finish this one. Large size, 32 likes. Adult size, 34 likes. Oh yeah, this is how many times it was. Then I'm gonna go up here. Oh yeah, I need to start making room. Okay, warning, if you see your chicken's head, we didn't chop their head, we made a head, or we got a trophy for mail. Warning, this is evil. Oh yeah, guys, just whatever you do, just don't report, or this could happen to your chicken. Well, I don't know what's gonna happen, but land 5 badge. Warning, do not put VHS and put it on A. Yep, that's the warning. Okay. 45th person to like. His name's James, and if you see him with same shirt, that's him. Your support is obvious. He just wants my friend. Okay. 45 likes. Made bulk look a bit silver because why not? Okay, let me just... Wait, what if I do something creative? What if I just doing creative since I'm back here? Let me just become creative. Okay. Which part makes it golden? Okay, I think this one. I'm gonna start being creative to the name tags. I just need to start being creative. That's what I just need to do. Okay, okay. This is a reference from Slot Battles. So, yeah, that's that reason. Oh, I forgot. I'm gonna have to start making plans right here. Right there. And the plan I was gonna make is I'm gonna give that chicken up there away. Well, I'm gonna actually make it and take this scooter away. Just to someone who's gonna win. Yeah. But let me go up here because you guys know what this is. I talked about the 60 likes and this is what it is. I talked about it. Don't drink. Don't drink, kids, because it's bad for you. Oh yeah, this is a lockdown. Just in case somebody's gonna do something. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go up here and I need to start making plans right now because here, let me just take these. I just need to take them because it's just for supping. Oh yeah, the lever's weight is already used. But let me just yeah, and where's that button? There we go. Oh yeah, I'm gonna just, oh yeah, I need to put this up because, I didn't complete all plans on this one. I just need to put it back up. Okay, plan 1. Oh yeah, I forgot about that one. Plan 9. There, guys, I'm gonna show you one more before I end the video. Let me just show you one more. Oh yeah, this is me. How long was this made? What was my oldest version? What the heck? What the heck? April 2021. So I was the original. I was the first. And I made this June 2023. That was the last time I just went there. That was the last time. Mini game being to the mini games. Yeah, I was watching mini games, kid. Oh my! I didn't even play Gorilla Tag that time. I didn't even know what Gorilla Tag that was. I didn't even know. But oh yeah, this is for 50 likes. Yo, let me just go back and I'm gonna finish it. Oh yeah, this is the first hobby I have, but let me just, oh yeah, what's that like doing there? Okay, is that fixed? No, nope, not fixed. Here, let me see. Okay, I think I know what the problem is now. Here, let me just I'll fix that. Just there we go. Oh yeah, this is what I used. And look at that. This is to be saying like, you know, how grateful I am to getting 75 likes. And I'm in a rocket. And there's the moon. I'm in the moon. Whoa, that's what the moon's like. Well, the green one. Oh yeah, this is the, you know, this is when they're gonna make a new project. Okay, I'm gonna have to end it right here, but I showed you guys what I have. And if you want to see any of them, just, you know, just let you guys know. I made this a long time ago. Well, I decided to make it because why not? But I made this and my friend helped me make it. Like, one of my friends actually helped me make it. Just one of my friends actually helped. Yeah. And this was a peek of. Oh yeah, this was once you know, I'm gonna start like, you know, remake everything. And let me just actually, like, I don't know if I should just keep on making it, but I don't know, but so what I just had to do here is, all I need to do is just, I don't know why, but I'm gonna have to, you know, this is like one of my, yeah, I couldn't finish it because yeah, I tried to make it, but this is what happened when I tried making it. Well, no, not everything is made by me. Not everything. Because I tried to, but yeah, let me just. So that's why whoever made it, whoever just beat it, was being put up there. Oh yeah, actually I was gonna show you guys number one before I end the video, because you know, this is like, this is before I actually made it, but look right here. Okay, let me just. Okay. Let me just act. So what I'm gonna be doing is, I don't know how, but before 70 likes. Okay, this is. I don't know why. But I don't know how I made it, but I really made it. I just really have to make it. Okay, so this actually got to 96 when I came back, but let me. I was actually working on this, but I couldn't be able to work on it anymore. Just let me take it down because I may not be able to make it anymore. Like, I don't know how, but I may not be able to work on any anymore. So all I'm just doing is I need to take the limits down. Because I can't do all of it. And the ball right here. Oh, 8. Yeah, this is when yeah, I need to there are ones like there, but now I just have to take it down because I'm gonna I don't know if I can still make it, but you have to go through a long trail for this one. Here, let me just actually go up here. And I'm gonna actually start. Whoa. Now I need to survive my own attack. Like, I know I told you guys that I was gonna go to that one last, but oh yeah, I didn't actually fully made it. I didn't fully create it. Oh yeah, this is only just the second part because I couldn't finish it because I just am running out of parts. Let me actually go to that one. Oh yeah, I'm still working on it. I'm just still working on it. But as you can see, I still gave credits. Oh yeah, this wasn't actually done, but anyways, thanks for watching. Just make sure to like and subscribe. I'll just see you the next video. See you guys.